Welcome to the Nevada Department of Taxation's Introduction to Commerce Tax training. The information in this video is provided as of June 29, 2016. In this module, we will discuss the different tax rates for commerce tax and how to determine the rate applicable to your business. We will discuss how to find the correct NAICS category, as well as how to select and change a NAICS code category. It is important for each business entity to select the proper NAICS code so that the correct tax rate is applied. A business will select its NAICS code category based on the industry in which the business is primarily engaged. It is a required field on the commerce tax return and determines the tax rate. Looking at the tax return, the line items for NAICS code and tax rate are highlighted. NAICS is an acronym, and it stands for the North American Industry Classification System, a program administered by the United States Census Bureau. This is a snapshot of the Census Bureau's website. Businesses can perform keyword searches and read more detailed descriptions of the different category codes. It is important to remember that each business entity that has a filing requirement for commerce tax must select a NAICS code category. Entities that are consolidated for federal income tax purposes, such as a single-member LLC registered with the Nevada Secretary of State, will have a separate filing requirement and may have a different NAICS code from its owner. A business entity will select its NAICS code category by filing its first commerce tax return. If an entity generates revenue from multiple activities belonging in different NAICS code categories, that entity should use the category with the highest percentage of Nevada gross revenue. If an entity should need to change to a different NAICS code category, the regulations require that the entity write to the department to obtain permission. The department has 60 days to respond, otherwise that request is deemed approved. Here's an example of a business entity that has revenue streams from activities belonging in different NAICS code categories. Blue Screen Inc. is a software consulting company, and they own the commercial building that they occupy, and they also rent office space to several other business entities. For the tax year, they generated the following in Nevada gross revenue. As you can see, the consulting fees are 95% of the Nevada gross revenue, so Blue Screen would use NAICS code 54 professional services due to the highest percentage of Nevada gross revenue. These next three slides list the different NAICS code categories, including their titles. The NAICS code is a 6-digit number, but for commerce tax, only the first 2 or 3 digits are necessary to select the proper tax rate. The corresponding tax rates are shown as a percentage and as the decimal to be entered on the commerce tax return. Thank you for watching this module. Please be sure to watch our other videos for more information on Nevada commerce tax. Thank you.